Hey, good morning, everybody. If you have LED bulbs for your turn indicators, or if you just purchased that Iron Man America classic bull bar bumper, then you know that when you hook up those LEDs that you get hyperflash. So today I have this little gadget right here, which replaces the flasher for the 100 series Land Cruiser. Got it off of Amazon. We're going to install it. We're going to find the old flasher, which is pretty hard, and then we're going to install this. So stay tuned. When you're looking for this flasher, I swear it is almost next to impossible to find. You look online, they say, "Oh yeah," you go underneath, look at the dash, and it's right there. Not that easy. What I was told is what you do is you put your head next to the dead pedal and the brake pedal. Put your head right here and look straight up. That's actually kind of hard. If you follow the brake pedal up, you'll see a bracket that goes all the way up. If you follow that up, there's a bolt that's about almost at the top of the bracket. Literally, if you look at the dash right here, it's right through there, about, it's about 12 inches deep, maybe a little bit further. So I try to get a little ratchet wrench, with extensions and all that. Well, the ratchet wrench with just a 10 millimeter, because it's 10 millimeter with a Phillips head. I tried to get that up inside. I couldn't get it because there's just not enough room to get the ratchet. So what I did was I removed the 10 millimeter from this point down here, right? And then then you got to remove a little bit of the trim, right there, and it all pops out. So you can kind of see it from in there. Let's see if I have a flashlight. A little harder with two hands. But you see the white connector that's back there, right? It's beyond the white connector. And you can see kind of a brass looking bolt just beyond that. Or up higher. There we go. Oh, I wish you could see it. Can you see it right there? Right there. So I used this extension, this little wobble right here, and a 10 millimeter, along with the driver, and that's how I was able to remove that bolt. Now the tricky part is to put it all back together. Let's see how this works out. So that bolt actually has some really coarse threads, so it probably only takes like a few turns to have it come out. And normal flash. Perfect. Let's go check that front. Yeah, that's the way it should be. So no more annoying hyperflash. So time to button this all up. As you can see right now, there it is, it's hanging right there. Pain in the butt. It's pretty hard when you have this little bracket in there. I mean, it's mounted up against that bracket that I said, and you can't really take that bracket off or take the flasher off of the bracket while it's attached. And it's so wedged in there. I mean, I believe that that Denso, the manufacturer, probably thought, hey, this thing will never ever need to be changed. Anyways, when you remove it, I had to use one hand. So you have these two outside retainers, and then you have another like retainer right here that would be on the male plug. So I had to reach in there with one hand and kind of move these outside retainers while depressing the clip, and then pulled it out. And then, so right now it's just hanging. Oh, where is it at? Oh, right there. It's just hanging right there. So once that wire hangs down, like I said, it has like 4 inches of cable, and once it hangs down, so I'm gonna button it up with a zip tie, and I'm just gonna zip it to another wire loom up there. There's no way that I'm gonna be able to attempt to reinstall this bracket alongside that metal bracket that's in there. But everything's all buttoned up, and everything's working like it should. So was it worth it? Yes. Nobody wants to hear that hyperflash. So I'm glad that I did it. It works perfectly. Works like it should. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I'll put the link where I purchased it from Amazon. And hey, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.